to our GK class. Today we will discuss page number 30, and that is question and answer express. In the Vedic society, which was the term used to denote a group of families? Which was the term used? It was grama. Okay, gram. The latitude of a place is the same as which place? It is same as celestial pole. Okay, the latitude of a place is the same at celestial pole. What was the source of the blue gemstone lapis lazuli for the people of Harappan culture? Afghanistan. Okay, Afghanistan was the source of the blue gemstone lapis lazuli for the people of the Harappan culture. How are latitude and longitude? How latitude and longitude are perpendicular to each other. Which philosophy holds that the world is created and maintained by universal law? Jain philosophy. Jain philosophy tells that the world is created and maintained by universal law. Who was the Sultan of Delhi, who is reputed to have built the biggest network of canals in India? Sultan of Delhi's name of the Sultan of Delhi is Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Okay, he is reputed to have built the biggest network of canals. Which Indian ruler was a temporary of Akbar? Rani Durgavati was not temporary, it is contemporary. Rani Durgavati was contemporary of Akbar. In which latitudes largest quantities of bauxite is formed? In tropical latitudes, largest quantities of bauxite is found. In 1610, Galileo Galilei discovered 4 moons of which planet? He discovered Jupiter's 4 moons. Okay, in 1610, Galileo Galilei discovered Jupiter's 4 moon. Who said, I therefore want freedom immediately, this very night, before dawn, if it can be had? Mahatma Gandhi said. Mahatma Gandhi said, I therefore want freedom immediately, this very night, before dawn, if it can be had. Okay. Now next page number 31, and the chapter is 17 Great Inventions. We can see many things around us that makes our lifestyle possible. Read about some inventions that changed our way of life and name them with the help of a clue box. Okay, clue box is given, you have to write the name. This was developed in 1978 and was made to pinpoint our exact position to within a couple of meters with the help of up to 32 satellites. It became a great invention for explorers, paramedics and pilots. And the answer is GPS. Through GPS you can go anywhere. It is a map. It is a kind of map through which you can go anywhere. Okay. Second, it allows us to borrow money from a bank to make purchases, whether we are buying a burger or a round trip to another country, as long as we pay back the money we borrow within the grace period of 25 to 30 days. We do not have to pay extra, and that is credit card. Third, it is a machine capable of carrying out a complex series of actions automatically. It may be constructed to take on human form, but mostly it is designed to perform a task with no regard to how it looks. It is designed to perform a task, and the name of the machine is robot. It is an optical, machine readable representation of data. The data usually describes something about the object that carries this set of black and white lines, and that is barcode. Okay, it describes the object. Fifth, it is a computerized machine that permits bank customers to gain access to their accounts with a magnetically encoded plastic card and a code number. That machine is ATM machine. It is a portable electronic device developed by Apple Inc. to allow users to upload and play their music using the device. It has amazing storage capability, the largest model being able to store more than 30,000 songs. And the name of this object is iPod. Okay. Now, fact bite: Steven Sasson, a Kodak engineer, invented and built the first digital camera in 1975. It was just 0.01 megapixels, but now we have digital cameras up to 160 megapixels. Children, this much for today's class. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, keep on learning. Thank you, children.